Ridgid Pro Box 2.0. Welcome back to another video. Yes guys, new deals just dropped. We're shopping at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got the $99 deal. They got the power cleaner for 99 bucks. Then they got the blower there for $119, the weed whacker for $119. So those are all the deals that they got going on there at the bottom. Those are pretty much entry-level Ryobi tools for the DIY or for somebody that's just starting out. Alright, so they got the Arctic Air, the Pure Chill 2.0. This is like an evaporative cooler here for the, it's just on a smaller version. $20 down from 39 bucks. Then they have this bigger one here. So it's the same thing but bigger. So that's $49.99 down from $99.97, since everything's just, they're just trying to get everything out the door. They got a portable one here. It's like a fan. This one's 28 bucks. Yes guys, a lot of Halloween. A lot of Halloween that's taking over the Home Depot's been lately, last few years. Alright, so they got the dual flex hose. Then they got the filter, the fine dust wet and dry filter. Then they got the horsepower NXT wet and dry shop vac there for 79 bucks. So a lot of deals going on from Ridgid, including toolboxes. We're gonna look at those at the end. Got the free battery. Yes guys, you got the $399 kit. Any other ones at the bottom, you get a free 4 amp hour battery. You guys can hack them. You guys can return that battery and keep that tool. That is the brand new track saw, the miter saw, and the table saw, guys. So we got a table saw, a miter saw stand for $179. You get a vacuum for 99 bucks. Yes, so that's the table saw. That's for $399. You can get that free battery, hack the deal there, and then you got that the vacuum there, portable vacuum there for 99 bucks. That's the miter saw. I do apologize for the image, a little blurry. That's the battery you're gonna get for free with the 4 amp hour battery starter kit. Alright, so they got these deals. They got the brushless drill driver, impact driver, 3 amp hour batteries, $219. They got $99 your choice here for the reciprocating saw, circular saw, oscillating tool. Any of those will definitely get you guys some good deals there on those. For 99 bucks, it's a pretty decent deal. Actually, pretty good deals on those. Circular saw, that's a circular saw, 6.5 circular saw. And that is the impact driver drill driver with 2 batteries, 2 3s, and a charger in the bag. So not bad deals, guys. I'm still waiting for the, that's $199 for the 2-gallon air compressors. I'm still waiting for the Black Friday deals. Those are the best ones. So $199 for the top handle chainsaw. I believe that's just by itself. It's not the kit. Or you got the blower there for $199. Alright, so you got this 5-tool combo kit for $299. This is a nice deal. Circular saw, reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, a light, circular saw. Got a whole bunch. Alright guys, these are the new ones that are new chargers. This one's a 6-volt, 12-volt, 2-amp automotive charger, 24 bucks. This one's a 8-amp. Yes guys, I never seen these before at the depots. Seem like they're new. This is the 80-amp engine. So this is 94. This is battery charger engine starter. And then you got the Pro there at the top for $149. So definitely check these out. These are brand new. You got the Vector series. I don't know nothing about this brand. Let me know down in the comment section if you use any of these brands. I know the Schumacher. I heard it before. I actually did have the model from before, the blue one, but now they changed it to the red. And they got the portable jump starter. Then they got these on sale. These jack stands, they were, I believe they're 34 bucks or a little bit around there. And then you got this charger here for $119. This is a DeWalt charger, 80 amp. And they got another smaller charger to the left, $897 for the 2-pack of 9 pruning blades. And then you got the nail embedded. I can't talk today. Just after work, I'm tired. I work like 12 hours today. It's crazy. So $19.97, 5-inch SanDisk 50 discs pads. Alright, so they got the clearance section here. Yes, guys, some more chargers. But check this one out. This one's like a customer return. It's down to $23 from $89.98. So this one's a killer deal. However, I did not pick this up because I already have 2 chargers. So I don't know what I would do with 3. So you got a 6.5, one for each side of the battery, right? One charger for the negative, one charger for the positive. Alright, so you got mailbox black and red, $19.97 there. Then you got a Milwaukee adaptable protection. You got 1206 down for $14.97. This is a clearance section. Got a lot of discs here. I'm not going to go over all of this, just the tags for you guys. You got a grinding hump, $4.80. Then you got a 6.5, $4 masonry from $4.97. Then you got a grinding hub, $5.40. This is a 6x1. And then you got this pack out bin set 2-pack, $9.88. I don't know why this was here. Somebody probably just dropped it. So, and they got a tape measure back there, no price. But as you guys do see, you got the same charger for $68. So that $23 charger, that's a killer deal. So yeah, it's the same charger. Alright, they got these on sale. These deadbolts and everything for the door remodels. If you guys doing a lot of remodels, you guys have rental properties, this is the time to get these. Stock up on these because they are on clearance, or not on clearance, but they're on sale. Some of these are really low, like that one's $7. Alright, so they got the Ryobi link. I just want to show you guys what this looks like. Oh, and also guys, I will be making some more videos about Milwaukee. Milwaukee only video for the BOGO deals, the new BOGO deals that just came out, so stay tuned for that. I should be releasing that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, this is the new pack out wall mount system. As you guys do see, there's some metal within that plastic, so it can hold on to the heavier weight, and that way you guys could hear it. I left the sound on so you guys could hear it on those. So that's pretty nice. It looks pretty rugged, and I really like the lock part because it's a must-have if you have a trailer and that trailer is jumping up and down, obviously with those potholes and all kinds of stuff. So you need the locks. You need the locks. That's a must-have. So that's a good thing that Milwaukee thought about, you know, having all those locks, because the Ryobi link system, that's just you know, just set it on there basically. That wouldn't work for trailers. For the garage it will, but not for a trailer. And this is perfect for a trailer. Those are fake batteries, by the way. I tried to take them out and they're fake batteries. It's crazy how they look just real. It's probably just a casing. I even tried pressing the button to see if it was real. Alright, so then they got this one's a real drill, by the way. So this one does fit in there perfectly. So the only bad thing about this is that you have to buy multiple because it only fits 2. So, you know, probably your main drills that will fit there. If you want more, then obviously you have to spend more money on those. Alright, so this one's for the longer handle. This one's for brooms or whatever you have. It's $39.98. That's for the batteries. That's for the pack out tool station. Actually, that's the pack out tool station. That's not the batteries. That's for the batteries. $19.88. The battery rack. Alright, so they got the pole saw here. Ryobi 8-inch pole saw for $125. It was sold out. And I was comparing these since they were together. I wanted to compare them. The DeWalt actually looks pretty beefy with that square tube design. It looks pretty beefy, in that interlock lock there looks pretty solid. But I really like the Milwaukee. I left the sound for you guys so you guys will see this, hear the snap. I really like the Milwaukee, how easy it is to unlock, or, you know, put another attachment in there. A few clearance items here. This one's $144, down from $239. It's a cultivator, 2-cycle, from PowerMate. Alright, we've got another section here. This is the Husky 12x1. So it's $9.97. These are really nice. It's a 4-pack tie downs. Alright, so we got these on sale. This is a 3-ton low profile floor jack from Husky, up to 6,000 pounds. $149. That's a nice deal on this. It is low profile, so this is the one you need to get. Guys, this is a great price because even Harbor Freight Snap, I believe their cheapest is like $159. Something similar to this, $159, $169. So that's a really good deal. Now make sure you guys get a floor jack on this sale because that's a really good deal, especially those floor jack and the jack stands. This toolbox is really nice. It does have some organizers there on the inside. I don't know if that's from this one, but for this box, but it does have some keys. Really like the metal latches. 99 bucks. Nice rubber wheels with plastic rims. Alright, so this is the Ridgid. This is the toolbox, the modular storage system. This is the older one. However, I do not like this one because as soon as I opened it, you know, the lid just came off like that. That's a negative on my part. But I know the new one just came out, so I'll show you guys the new one in a second. I guess for the price, if you're on a budget, $49 is going to get you there. It's going to get you the job done. However, the new one does have the newer style, mostly like the Milwaukee style. So I would definitely go shoot for the new one if you can. If not, then obviously that's a good deal there. So $29.98. This is a great deal. This is actually a smoking deal because I tried to buy some used ones and I couldn't buy any on OfferUp or anything. They got this nice rack here, tool rack here for $39.98. I really like the finish, the metal finish. All right, so these are the new deals for the toolboxes and the pack outs and the Ridgid Pro boxes. Alright, so they got this for $44.97. This is a Carpenter's belt. Alright, we got a DeWalt inverter, 140 watts for $29.98. That's a nice deal there for camping and all that stuff. $99. That's okay. This is the used tool section. $396. This is a Makita SDS hammer, demolition hammer, 20 pounds. That's a nice hammer there. It looks like we beat up, but if it works, right? $162 for the chainsaw, Makita. And then they got this. I have no idea what this is. This is tile and grout steam, maybe. I don't know. So I don't know what that is. Okay, back to the toolboxes. This is the 2.0. This is the Ridgid Pro Box 2.0. They got the prices right here. So this is $89, $89.97 for the bigger, $49.97 for the smaller, and then $39 for the Pro Organizer smaller. All right, so these are the boxes. I really like the design. I really like what they did. They're starting to look like more like pack out boxes. If you guys do see, you got some nice metal latches. I really like. And they got an organizer, a really nice organizer there for the smaller stuff. If you got you know, screws and all kinds of little stuff. That's a nice organizer. So it is plastic on the inside. Everything is plastic, but you know, still pretty nice that they included this. And they actually included this wall mounts thing. I don't know if these are organizers or exactly what these are. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys know what these accessories are. They're already included with the Gen 2 Pro Gear toolbox. Really like the boxes, guys. Really nice boxes. If they are cheaper than Milwaukee, so these are definitely the way to go. It's like basically a cheaper Milwaukee box, a Milwaukee pack out. That's basically what it is. The only thing I didn't, the wheels are nice. The only thing I didn't like is the latches there to stretch the handle. You do have to put your hands down below and then stretch at the handle with the other one. They should have just included it just like the Milwaukee and the, you know, just the one-handed basically stretch. All right, so they got a parts organizer for $34.97. They got a milk crate there for $29.97. That's the organizer there. Actually, it looks pretty nice. And they got the 28 mobile toolbox, 28 inches, $69.97. You got a wet and dry vacuum there, 12 gallon, for $99.97. That is the big toolbox. Smaller wheels, but you are able to fit the bigger tools, the longer tools, like the SDS we just saw earlier. Same thing with this one. This one's the Milwaukee Pack Out rolling chest for $229. Like I said, you guys are able to fit those longer tools, that longer chainsaw, the SDS demolition hammers. You could fit all those bigger tools in here, and plus, even just the smaller stuff you can fit in there too. So, like an all-in-one box. Definitely my favorite, the Milwaukee Pack Out. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Oh, stay tuned for the Milwaukee BOGO deals, the new BOGO deals that just dropped for the Milwaukee. Either later today or tomorrow, I'll release that video.